Hey, I've started up the recorder here. I had somebody ask about my PLTR. They PM'd me here on my PLTR trade. And I just closed it out a little bit ago. I posted it there in the room at 55% profit. The only bad thing is I only had 5 contracts. I wish I had more. But the question was, am I now bearish on PLTR? Is that why I closed it? And no, that is not why I closed it. I closed it because I think the market, I'm not going to get too much into the market here, but I think we're a little, I've got my concerns, some concerns. And here was a trade that I was in. I had 55%, and it was just a little while ago. The candle looked just like this, not like I nailed the top or anything. But I closed it out because what I don't want is for this to happen. If say the CPI numbers are not so good tomorrow, or even this week, if I keep holding it and maybe something doesn't go right in the market, and we just slowly, come back down, well, that 55% will be crushed, absolutely crushed, and I don't want that to happen. And if we do pull back and it sets up again, I'll definitely look at buying it back. Now, there's a difference between, say, long-term holds and short-term holds. I'm holding this short-term. I'm just trading the swings in it. So here we are right here. Nice flat consolidation after moving up. What a great place to have bought it. I wish I could say that I bought it here. I did not. But what it did is it gapped up and held my 50% mark here. Well, I bought it. That's where I bought it. I would have to go look exactly what day. But here we are. Yeah, what day and what time in here. But here we are up. Went right to one of my target areas. And we're failing today to continue through. So that's why I took the profits. Again, it's just a swing trade for me. It's not that I necessarily think PLTR is going to, crash and burn. I don't. There's nothing in the chart that says that. So just a simple swing trade, pulling profits off in that swing, okay? I hope that helped. Thanks for asking that question.